Hi, in this video, we're going to talk about how to check on text. So these are the final code that looks like. So here you are, right? Now I'm going to do another, a new one. So what this wants to do is that in this exercise is that we want to check if the user message here, right, contains the sign of at, right, in this user message. If it does, right, we'll say, oh, there is the email address. If it's there, no, there's no email address. Now, the normal ways in worksheet function is to use the search function. Okay, you can use the search. So it provides 3 inputs. Okay, the search function has 3 inputs. So first, you tell Excel what to find and within what text. And you can also provide the optional input. Therefore, there is a square bracket. So I'm going to skip that. And the search, it gives you no error because there isn't there's an error. So if you don't want to show this error message, what you do is that you can use the if error function, right, and close it with this, right. If there's an error, then you show empty message, right. So this is the formula. Okay, first with the search function, it tells you what is it, right? So now let's just run this code here, and it says 21. Now the same can applies to the macro as well, right? So where is we can say is there email address? Okay, we can say check this that. So we start with this if function. Now there is a new function, macro function is only available in VBA, and that's called in string. And the in strings, if you you say you just tell them right where is the user message. So it's in b5 dot value, and then it's kind of a bit reverse from this, right? Rather than first telling what text to check, right here it actually asks what is the user message, then only it provides C2, which is the to check. And the in string will actually return a value. So return a value means that, for example, this. Whenever a function that is return a value, you can always use a message box to output it. So it has the word 21 as well, because using the in string VBA function, Excel will tell you where is the @ sign located in this message. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20. I might be get right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Yes, 21, right? Alliance. That was 21. So 21 is the one, is the message. So when there is a message, right? Now let's just try another one, right? Without this, there's nothing, right? How I write this good. And there's 0. So I mean to say if there is no matching text to check, right? Macro will return a 0 for the in string. So with that knowledge, we can do a checking. If it's equal, if this is equal to 0, right, then what? If it's equal to 0, that means the message box says, right, no email file. else message box file email address and end it. So we run this code. It says no email files address file, right? See that? So now we'll change that to alias. Now run this code, right? File email address. So this is another way, right, to check if a valid file in the cell values, right? Text is found here. So using graphically, right, you say is that is the user message, which is this, contain this @ sign. If it's yes, it will always return a value that's greater than 0. Then you say found email. But if it's not, right, it will always equals to 0 because there's no such position for assist for the @ sign. So therefore there's no email address found. Right, in this example, we simplify it, right? We do not including the situation where user might would just put there at the location and so on, right? But in this case, it will not work. But we will exclude this situation. The main idea of this video is to help you understand more about how to construct an if function. Right, so there's a structure of if function: if, then, else, and if. Right, I hope you learn about this fundamental because I always use this to code my project. So we have these are fundamentals. It's a building blocks, and you can do much more rather than just say message box. But this is the beginning. Thank you. I see you in the next